Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup look. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. To moisturize my face, I'll be using my Clinique Moisture Surge. This is so hydrating and is so perfect for my skin. For foundation, I'll be using the On The Glow foundation from Happy Skin. This foundation is so lightweight but still has medium to full coverage, which I love. I think this is limited edition, so might as well get yours now. To blend this all out, I'll be using my Real Techniques brush. I'm not gonna put on my neck. For concealer, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Beige. For contour, I'll be using this Hola bronzer for my face and for my eyes. Maybelline Hypersharp. Now to put some mascara on. For mascara, I'll be using the Roller Lash from Benefit as well. Highlight, I'll be using the Kevyn Aucoin highlighter. I love this stuff. This makes me so glowy, but not looking too glowy that it looks unnatural. Lipstick, I'll be using my MAC Velvet Teddy. I love this. I've been using this for almost like 2 years. And that's it. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Always keeping it short and sweet for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!